Windows need cleaning, window cleaners craven arms. Staff training. All of our staff are fully trained in the safe and effective cleaning of windows. They are also trained in customer service and professionalism. No contract policy. We understand that people's needs change, so we offer a no contract policy for all of our cleaning services. This means that you can cancel your service at any time without any penalties. Money-back guarantee. We are so confident in our work that we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with our service for any reason, we will refund your money in full. Insurance. We carry both public liability insurance and employer's liability insurance. This protects you and us in the event of an accident. Believe that these policies and procedures help us to provide the best possible service to our customers. We are committed to providing our customers with clean, streak-free windows and a positive customer experience. Thank you for watching and have a great day.